Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria, mitochondrion is one of the important cell organelle of the cell. Here you can see mitochondria is rightly called as the powerhouse of the cell or power plant of the cell or power battery of the cell, or it is also called as a power bank of the cell. Generally, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It shows two important membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane, and the outer membrane is smooth and inner membrane shows finger-like projections called cristae, and it also shows a gel-like internal compartment called matrix. In between the outer and inner membrane, there is another membrane called another compartment called intermembranal space. It also shows a finger-like projections called cristae. It shows the single-stranded mitochondrial DNA. It shows ribosomes as well as DNA. It is able to synthesize their own proteins. That's why it is called as the semi-autonomous replicating organ. Once again, I am telling the mitochondrion is rightly called as the semi-autonomous replicating organ. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell or power plant of the cell, which can produce cellular energy in the form of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate during respiration in eukaryotic cells. ATP is the cellular currency used for various biochemical operations of the cell. Mitochondria were first identified by Kolliker as cytoplasmic granules. Fleming described these forms as philia. Altman described these mitochondria as bioblasts. The name mitochondrion was given by Benda in the year 1893. Mitochondrion is sausage shaped or club shaped or spherical or rod shaped. The size varies from 1.5 microns to 7 microns or more up to 40 microns. It is present in all eukaryotic cells, but it is completely absent in mature RBC as well as in prokaryotes. The number of mitochondria generally depends on the synthetic activity of the cell. In protozoans, the chaos and chaos, it shows 5 lakh mitochondria. Liver cells shows 500 to 1000 mitochondria. Sperm cell shows 20 to 25 mitochondria. The electron microscopic studies reveal that mitochondria is covered by inner and outer membranes separated by perimitochondrial space. The number of mitochondria mainly depends on the synthetic activity of the cell. The synthetic activity of the cell is more, the mitochondria will be more. The outer membrane, it is generally the mitochondria is covered by outer membrane and inner membrane. The outer membrane, it is also unit membrane. It measures about 75 angstrom units or 7.5 nanometers. It is an outer boundary. It is smooth in structure. The inner membrane, it is also unit membrane. It measures about 75 angstrom units in thickness. Here, the inner membrane is not at all smooth. It shows crests or cristae, the finger-like projections. The inner membrane shows finger-like projections called cristae or crests. These cristae or crests shows a lollipop-like structures are called F1 particles or oxysomes or elementary particles. It has three important parts. One is the head, and as well as pedicel or stalk, and it shows the base. With the help of base, it attaches to the cristae. Head shows ATP synthetase, which is able to convert the ADP and inorganic phosphate into ATP. Here, the head shows a synthetase, which is able to convert the ADP inorganic phosphate into ATP. The ATP is the cellular currency, which is used for various biochemical operations of the cell. Matrix, the inner compartment is called the matrix. The inner cavity of mitochondria shows gel-like appearance due to high amount of soluble proteins. The inner chamber shows 70% of proteins and 30% of lipids. Matrix shows 5,000 types of enzymes for aerobic respiration, amino acid synthesis, and fatty acid metabolism. It shows 70S type of ribosomes. That means it shows two subunits, 50S larger subunit and 30S smaller subunit. The RNAs as well as circular DNA and inorganic salts like calcium, magnesium, and manganese also present in the matrix. The DNA present in mitochondria is called mitochondrial DNA. The ribosomes which are present in mitochondria are called mitoribosomes. Here, the DNA, it is rich in cytosine and guanine content. Here, it codes for 20 proteins. Generally, mitochondria is called the semi-autonomous and self-replicating cell organelle because it can synthesize their own proteins. It is originated from endoplasmic reticulum or plasma membrane or nuclear membrane. It can operate cellular respiration. It includes glycolysis. Glycolysis is one of the process in cellular respiration. It occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. Oxidation of pyruvic acid, Krebs cycle occur in the matrix of mitochondria. Electron transport system occur in the inner membrane of the mitochondria as well as lipid synthesis. Here, mitochondria is rightly called as the power bank of the cell. Fewer mitochondria is seen in plants than in animals. Elementary particles are first identified by Fernandez Moran in 1962. Fernandez Moran in 1962. Large number of mitochondria have seen in flight muscles of birds because large energy is needed for birds flying. The number of mitochondria depends on metabolic activity of the cell. Thank you. This is the gist of the mitochondria.